Hello, today our project is going to be on one of the artist Keith Haring's favorite characters that he developed called DJ Dog. DJ Dog, you can see, is made up of a series of shapes. When Keith Haring draws him, he uses a form line or a strong black outline, and he can be just standing there. He can be actually a DJ, or a lot of times he's dancing. Another thing to notice about DJ Dog is the motion lines that show that he's moving, and then the voice lines that show that he's barking or talking or singing, maybe even to the music. So today we're going to draw our own version of DJ Dog. In this example, I've included him DJing and then dancing and then just hanging out and barking. Okay, so let's get started. What we're going to need is a black marker for those nice strong form lines. We're going to need a pencil, and we're going to need a piece of paper. And today you can hold your paper in either direction. It's up to you, whichever direction you would like to hold it in. I think I'm going to hold mine landscape sideways, or hamburger direction. Okay, DJ Dog is mostly triangles and rectangles, and so let's start right about here for the main DJ Dog. We're going to start with a rectangle, and we're going to kind of bring a triangle in here for his mouth, and then he has these two triangle ears like that. Okay, and then his neck kind of comes down like this. And his arm is usually a series of kind of rectangle shapes, like that. And I'm going to put a record up here. And then maybe a little motion line to show that he's moving here, and maybe moving his arm. Okay, and then I'm going to bring a line down like that, and then his other hand is going to be actually spinning the record like this. So I'm going to put the turntable underneath, but let's start with the vinyl record actually first, and then the turntable underneath it. We're going to draw a little rectangle for that, and then the table this. Okay. And then bring down the rest of his body like this. And then maybe if we want him to be talking or barking, we can put voice lines and maybe some motion lines here and here to show that he's actually spinning that record. Okay. And then we do some over here. Let's do another turntable over here with a vinyl record on top of it. And this one could be turning or spinning all by itself, so we'll add some motion lines to that. And we'll be able to see the bottom part of DJ Dog here. And then think about what else you want to do. Notice DJ Dog doesn't ever really have features. He's kind of a cartoon design character. And he is just the basic outline shapes, mostly rectangles and triangles, okay? So in mine, because I wanted to add some more DJ Dogs, I did one dancing over here and then one just barking and talking here. And then I used the voice lines and the motion lines to show that they're moving. Okay, so to make it look like a room, let's add a line like this. That's going to show where the floor is. And the floors that Keith Haring uses, it's kind of funny because he fills them with dotted lines. So if you wanted to do that, you certainly could add some dotted lines for your floor. And then he almost always has DJ for DJ Dog. So you can put a big D wherever you want. I like to make mine kind of bubble and nice strong. And a big J if you would like to. Like that. And then add some extra DJ Dogs in if you want. Most of his colors are really strong and bright. He likes to use the primary colors, which are red yellow and blue quite a bit, and the secondary colors, which are purple, orange, and green. And he likes to use them together, and so that's why when I was using my color, I thought about using primary and secondary colors, okay? So before you get ready for your color, outline your DJ Dog with your black marker with a nice strong form line, okay? Because Keith Haring likes to use those in his pictures. And then add color. You can use marker, crayon, color pencil, or a mixture of all of them, okay? So be creative and have fun with your DJ Dog.